So students, we continue with counseling of family health care. So the next point is provision of ongoing supportive counseling, informing the HIV positive persons about the risk of developing tuberculosis, etc. Educating HIV positive persons about the symptoms and signs of TB, ensuring that each and every person attending the VCTC with cough of more than 3 weeks duration is referred to the designated microscopy center. Tell the importance of sputum examination in the diagnosis of TB. Ensure them TB can be cured through regular and complete treatment and free of cost at the government health centers. Confirm patients diagnosed with TB are put on treatment under the RNTCP, and patients with HIV or TB take the required drugs regularly under direct supervision, emphasizing the importance of DOT treatment, emphasizing to all sputum positive patients the importance of getting their contact screened. Goal setting. Examples are pre-test counseling of HIV/AIDS to get the test done. If not undergone test, encourage them to ask them to come when they are prepared. Prepare the client for any type of test result, that is negative or positive. Fifth point is counseling intervention. Key factors during the post-test counseling. Cross-check the result with the client. Provide result to the client in person. Ask the client to summarize what was discussed in the last time. Termination and follow-up. HIV counseling does not end with the diagnosis of the client HIV status. Ask the client to come with his or her partner. Counsel their family members to accept them as a part of family member and help them to live a comfortable life. Knowledge of HIV test results identifies not just one infected person but several affected areas who are their close associates. Stages of counseling. Next is gather, greet client in a friendly, helpful and respectful manner. Ask client about the needs, concerns and previous use. Tell client about different options and methods. Help client to make decisions about choice of method he prefers. Explain to client how to use the method. Return schedule and carry out return visit and follow up of the client. That is in short form gather. Greet short form. You can elaborate. These are the various stages. Welcome and register client. Prepare chart record. Determine purpose of visit. Give clients full attention. Assure the client that all information discussed will be confidential. Talk in private place if possible. Ask client about his or her needs. Write down the client's age, marital status, number of previous pregnancies and births, number of living children, basic medical history, previous use of family planning methods. Ask history and risk for STDs. Assess what the client knows about family planning methods. Ask the client if there is a particular method she is interested in. Discuss any client concerns about risk versus benefits of modern methods. Tell the client about the available methods. Focus on methods that most interest the client but briefly mention other valuable methods. Describe how each method works and the advantages, benefits, possible side effects and disadvantages. Answer clients' concerns and questions. Help the client to choose method. Repeat information if necessary. Explain any procedures or lab tests to be performed. Explain how to use the method, how and when and where. Explain to the client how and when she can get resupplies of the method if necessary, etc. Return at the follow-up or return risk visit. Ask the client if he or she is willing still using the method. If the answer is yes, ask him or her if she is experiencing any problems or side effects. Solve the any problems if there is. If the answer is no, ask why he stopped during the method and counsel him or her to see if she would like to try another method. Make sure using the method correctly. Approaches in doing counseling. Directive or counselor centered or authoritative style. simplest to do. Counselor gives advices, make decisions based on what she thinks is in the best interest of client, expects the client to follow her advices, completely directed by the counselor. That is directive counseling. Next one is non-directive counseling or client-centered counseling. Counselor is passive, mainly listener. Client is active, expresses herself freely and tells the counselor what he or she wants. Then after careful reflection and clarification makes her own decision. The main function of the counselor is to create an atmosphere in which the client can work out this problem. Peer counseling. Peer counseling are HIV positive men and women specially trained to hear the concerns of clients and offer support and referral services. In this, counselor is open but his or her HIV positive status and shares experiences with client. It is the process that is carried out as one-to-one interaction followed by group approach. It addresses the client issue through the following process: sharing feeling about similar experiences, share information about availability of HIV/AIDS prevention, treatment and care services, narrate their success stories to the peers and convey messages of positive thinking, supports client in becoming more involved in community activities. Counseling and health education. Counseling is confidential, health education is not confidential. One-to-one process or small group counseling. Health education for a group of people. Counseling is focused, specific and goal directed. Health education is generalized. Counseling facilitates change in attitude and motivates behavior change. Health education information is provided to increase the knowledge. Counseling is problem oriented, whereas health education is content oriented. Counseling is based on needs of the client. Health education is based on public health. Conclusion: counseling is a process and not merely a technique through which clients are helped to modify their behavior and cope with their status effectively. Counseling is not telling or directing, giving advice, a casual concern, a confession, or praying. Thank you, students. I hope you got a small information regarding the counseling. Now, family health care regarded to that we'll see later. Thank you.